Eid Mubarak ngadto sa atong mga kaigsuonang Muslim sa tibuok Mindanao. Subay sa selebrasyon sa Eid al Fitr, atong sayron ang mga tradisyon ug paon sa kini ginasaulog sa Muslim community. Atong makauban ang Indigenous Representative sa tribong Kagan dinhi sa Davao City nga si Bai Halila Sugadar. Assalamualaikum, Bai Halila, ug welcome din sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Kamusta ka, ma'am? Og it's been a while now since the last time nga na-interview ti ka, Bai Halila.
Assalamualaikum, Ramadan Mubarak, maayong buntag kaninyong tanan. I am doing fine, alhamdulillah.
Bai Halila, alang sa kasayuran no, sa mga kapuso viewers all over Mindanao, unsa kining selebrasyon sa Eid al Fitr ug unsa kini ka mahinungdanon nga kasaulugan sa mga kaigsuonang Muslim?
Yes, I will share to you what is Eid al Fitr, but before that, I will share to you what is Ramadan first. So, as-sahru Ramadan, or fasting during the month of Ramadan, is one of the 5 pillars of Islam. During this month, we seek for forgiveness and we go back to our Creator, our Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, by performing what is incumbent upon us. That is, by performing not just the 5 obligatory prayers a day, but above all, by performing the Sunnah prayer. So this Sunnah prayer is in accordance with the habitual practice of our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Aside from that, we read the Quran every day. We organize gift-giving drives for the benefit of the people who are in need. We listen to Islamic lectures online and many more good deeds. So this is really a month of sacrifice wherein we are cleansing our inner soul. This is not just a manner of starving ourselves. This is a matter of repenting. So this is dedicating every single of our life to our Creator. So after a month long of sacrifice, of course, we ought to celebrate this Eid al Fitr. Eid al Fitr, of course, is a celebration of breaking the fast.
Ug Bai Halila, karong panahon sa pandemya no, aduna bay kining kausaban sa inyong selebrasyon sa Eid al Fitr?
Before the pandemic, as you observe, Eid al Fitr is celebrated in a way that we organize activities in a large-scale manner, such as community gathering to pray as a whole, and at the same time, we organize huge banquets to share food to everyone. But right now, since it is pandemic, of course, we are dynamic. We need to follow the local guidelines laid down by the local government unit. But at the same time, we don't want to compromise our mandatory obligation to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So our leaders mandated us to perform the Sunnah prayer inside our house. And if it so happened that Muslim brothers will pray inside the masjid, however, we will organize the protocol laid down by the LGU of Davao. That is, the number of people who will enter the masjid should not exceed 25 persons. Inside the masjid, of course, social distancing is there and the wearing of face masks is there.
And that I agree with you, ma'am. Safety first above everything gyud karong panahon na. Bai Halila, unsa ba ang sagad nga kaugalian nga ginasunod sa itong mga kaigsuonang Muslim matag dunay o matag ginasaulog ang Eid al Fitr?
Ang kaugalian namin during Eid al Fitr, we wake up early in the morning, pray for Fajr prayer. At the same time, prepare ourselves, clean ourselves. We do wudu, and of course, we prepare our new garments because that is the Sunnah of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. But if hindi naman kaya, hindi naman yung pinipilit. Inuutos lang, dapat malinis kasi syempre haharap ka sa yung Panginoon, magdarasal ka. So if you are prepared enough, no, then you go to your prayer place. So, magsala ka for 2 raka'a, and after that, you will listen to the lectures of the Islamic scholar. During the day of Eid al Fitr, ang mga kinakain namin, depende naman sa kaugalian din ng family, no? Just like us, Kagan, ang kinakain namin, syempre, yung mga pagkain ng aming mga ninuno. Just like amik, jampok, agkit, dagikit, itinuwan na manok, itinuwan na baka. But again, it's up to the capacity and to the willingness of the family kung ano yung gusto nila i-provide at pagsaluhan sa isang table.
Mahinungdanon og mabulukon gyud no ang pagsaulog sa Festival of Breaking the Fast o kining Eid al Fitr. Bai Halila, aduna ba kay gusto nga ipaabot nga mensahe alang sa itong mga kaigsuunang Muslim sa tibuok Mindanao.
Eid Mubarak, everyone. Let us celebrate Eid al Fitr by following the local guidelines. Let it be known that we can celebrate this Eid al Fitr without compromising the health protocols, and ipag-pray po natin na mawala na po itong pandemya para sa susunod na Eid al Fitr ay balik na po tayo sa normal na celebration natin.
Alright, dahil salamat Bai Halila Sugadar. Eid Mubarak sa mga kaigsuunang Muslim.
Daghang salamat, Sir Archil.
Mga kapuso, chillax lang mo. Mubalik pa ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.